Oh, what's up there, YouTube? I hope y'all are having an amazing day today, man. It is April the 10th today. I had planned to go hiking today to go get this old trail. That's the neighbor's doggy barking. That's all right. Woke up this morning, snowing like crazy. So it's gonna be interesting for sure. Never hiked in the straight snow, so that's going to be fun to see how it goes. It's been warmer the past week and a half, so it's not sticking. I'm curious to see what the trail's going to look like. I think it'll be a good trail. We've actually been to this one before, and we're going to this one because we've been to it before. We can go without wifey, so. But y'all, just hang on a second. We're going to get down the road. We're going to bring you this lovely hike on this snowy day.
I refuse to be the poster child for your sympathy. I have bled and I have died. I've walked through the fire and came out alive. I will thrive. A victim of your judgment. I will not.
Well, YouTube, we have made it to the parking area of our trail. Winter Wonderland. I don't know if you can see them ruts. That's no deep though. We made it back here. And we're going to have fun getting out, I promise you. It was four-wheel drive the whole way in here. You know, I got the all-terrain tires on 10-man, so I'm not too worried about a four-wheel drive, all that. We made it back here very easily. It's a very powdery snow, so there's not much that's... and plus the ground underneath has been so warm, it's not frozen. So even if the tires get down in there, it's not slick up under there. So I feel like we're going to be okay, but it is deep. This hike gonna be interesting, y'all. We gonna see. What do you think?
This is gonna be interesting.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So look, we're gonna get all our stuff together. We're gonna start in on this thing. Let's go. Woo! Let's go. I'm out of the truck, bro. Look how deep, man. Look how deep the snow is. I got you all the way in there. Look. I told the kids, I said, look, we jumped out. They saw how deep it is. I'm like, look, this is your chance. If you don't want to do this, we can stop right now. No, we gonna do it. We gonna do it. So, bro, look at look getting in here, man. Bro, it's gonna be so much fun, man. All right, look, let me get the rest of my stuff together. We'll get on this trail, man. Let's go. Well, YouTube, I do not think I'm not a pessimist kind of person. I'm definitely an optimist guy, Optimus Prime. But I don't think we're gonna finish this thing today. But we're gonna take y'all on down through here a little ways, as much as we can. I don't think I was prepared for it to be this deep, right? Being in the city, most of the stuff up there, it's already melted away. You know, there ain't nothing deep like this at all. And so it kind of, thank you trees. You get up under them trees, it ain't so bad. We'll get a little ways, but I was not expecting this. But how pretty. Y'all enjoy the view. What? She down. She all the way up to the knees. Let's go. Oh, the tree trying to pee on me, y'all. He tried to get me.
Tree pee.
That tree pee. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get over here where the boy at. Maybe not. Oh yeah. There ain't no way we're gonna make it to the end, y'all.
No.
If it was a Saturday or something and we didn't have nothing going on this evening, maybe. Yo, that's crazy right here. Oh! I don't know. I forgot to start the all trails thing. This whole time I've been talking about the all trails.
Even turn it on.
I ain't turning it on. Map it out, baby. Start that thing. We're gonna go to the left. Yep, it go left. You too, baby. We trying anyway. Yeah, you get under some of this tree cover, it ain't too bad. Oh, he about got you. He about got you. Yeah, definitely go.
This way. Oh gosh.
Yeah, definitely go to the side of the big water hole right there. Definitely don't need that in your life. Oh, he off trail. Here we go. So, guys, we were on this trail before. We actually did it. It's got a lot of these huge puddles from the ATVs that come through here. So, when I see these dips, I tend to stay to the side so I don't get in. My boy just sinking. That's why I told you put on your cover off. Oh, it's deep.
Yeah.
It's crazy. At least we'll have a nice channel we can go down when we come back.
Yeah.
We're making a nice path out. Oh, dang. It'll just fall on you. Whew. Somebody's been out here in a day or so though, because I can see the little walking path. Chelsea, you should have put a boggin on or something, girl. Yeah, I don't want you getting sick though. This thing done peed on me again. Oh Lord, it got deep. You all right, little buddy? All right. Yeah. Oh, I just dropped down real deep. Yeah. Jeez. I'm getting back in this person's trail over here. Well, maybe. I hope it's somebody's trail.
Okay. Holy cow.
Yeah, I don't know who blazed this path, but
Thank you.
Appreciate it a little bit. Ooh-wee. YouTube, I'm starting to have a feeling we ain't gonna be out here long. This is hard, man. Straight up. Yo, it's crazy. It looks so beautiful though, man.
No.
I don't know.
It's actually a pretty trail yet.
Yeah, YouTube, we might not get far. Dang if it ain't pretty.
Oh no! Oh no, I got deep again.
Huh?
It got deep.
Yeah.
I'm going into the woods. Don't get lost.
Stay back, man. Stay over here. If you're gonna stay in the woods, stay on the edge. Being out here right now, it's harder to hear the animals and stuff. We crunching like crazy in the snow. Oh, oh, oh. Yo, I was not even expecting this kind of deep. I was expecting maybe a couple inches. We talking a couple feet right here. It's crazy. It's awesome though. But look at the channel. Huh? You better stay back there, boy. This is so awesome.
I'm slapping this.
Wait till I get, okay, go ahead. Look how much that thing went up.
That was so cool. Dude. Oh, I'm moving.
Yeah, look, it's like, you want to mess with us? Okay. All right, come on. I'm trying to walk through here.
I got two on my boots.
You too. This is one of those never have I ever moments, or never would I have thought of moments. If you'd have told me 2-3 years ago I'd be hiking in feet of snow in Alaska. What? It's crazy, bro. God's so good, baby. Hey, JB, what up, baby? I see you, man. Be in Alaska soon. Let's go. All right, make sure y'all nice and straight. Let me give you a little wipey wipe. Oh, hold still, man. I'm trying to get y'all right. There we go. Okay. Okay. It's so crazy, bro. This is so crazy, man. Crazy but awesome. I hear water.
That's a water source for Bigfoot.
If there was a chance for us to see a Bigfoot, it's now.
Oh yeah.
Definitely no people out here right now. Nice and quiet. put out a couple Bigfoot calls. Woo! That boy crazy. Y'all, I'm telling you, my doggone legs on fire right now. Bro, I'd rather have a 5-10 mile trail and get it with nothing rather than try to get through this stuff. Jesus help us. Oh my goodness, but it's beautiful. Golly, it's beautiful. Whew. Somebody did build a little snowman to try to anyway over there. You good, Bubba?
Yep.
Okay. Okie dokie. Whew. You said what, buddy? It is hard. See you trying to get me, tree. Ooh, 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 ooh. That's why I was right up front and said, we ain't gonna finish this trail. Ain't no way. If it was a weekend, I wasn't worried about time, stuff like that. Y'all, you too. What's up, boy? Hold on, that's a video capture moment right there. You know I got to take care of my social media fam. TikTok, shout out. All my TikTok family over there. Yee doggy. Curious to see what this river looked like. Hello. Wow, man. You want to talk about winter wonderland, bro? It's off the chain. And just so we're clear there, you two, this April 10th, 2025. That's what's up, man. Whew. What you got, chick?
This snow's up to this thing.
Snow all the way up to the sign. What you doing, man?
Taking off my big jacket.
Why? No, don't take your big jacket off. Keep that thing on, bud. Well, be hot. Let's go. Oh, wow. It is crazy, man. It is. You're right, sir. Would you look at that? I mean, will you just look at?
My bag is already wet.
You'll be all right, kid. All right, guys. I'll be right back, man. All right, there, YouTube. We took us some little pictures. We're gonna keep on getting it down the trail a little ways. It's awesome. You good, Bubba? I'm just making sure, kid.
Hey, we can move.
I'm too. Safety under the trees.
We went that way.
Yep. We went to the right for sure. Because I know we come back out on that river. So whoever was walking on when we first started, they didn't come this way. There ain't no trail over here. We are, in fact, forging our own path, sir. Yeah, at least you don't have to bushwhack nothing. Bo, what's up? It's crazy, bro. This is just crazy. Let's go. All right, stop. The good news is it's not snowing hard enough to cover up our tracks. Chelsea, if you're gonna be out front, keep your eyes open. That boy's shoestrings untied. Pull over there to the stump. It's wild, bro.
How much snow is in my hair?
It's not bad.
Oh, yeah.
It's not too bad. Oh, hello. There's a hole. There has been people out here. Unless it is a Bigfoot.
We'll be able to attack them at least.
Yeah. We'll make sure we're on the right way with the ollie trails. So far, so gravy. Where the boy? We waiting on the boy. We waiting on the boy, YouTube. I'll be right back. All right, there, YouTube. We back on. Yo, this is crazy. I love it. I love it. Bo, man. Number one, I ain't never been anywhere that looked like this. This kind of snow. So much snow, it's just dumping off the trees. Oh. Well, I say them North Carolina winters, couple inches, enough to get down a little hill on a sled. Something like this. In my lifetime, my 40 years in North Carolina, I ain't never seen nothing like this where we was at. So it might have happened in the mountains. Doggone down there in Corntown, USA. Corntown, USA didn't get nothing like this. Whew. I'm talking right now. Oh, look. Way down. Hot dog.
Still exists. Oh my God.
Good, I can stomp off some of this snow. Let me check the ollie trailies. We need to keep going So up there at the fork, we need to take a left, not a right.
Yeah.
Cool. This would be one of them days we needed some of them snowshoes.
I'm just trying to keep up with the gigantic footsteps.
Sorry. Oh, come on, tree. That tree just dumping on me.
I do this to me.
I'm gonna walk back over here, man. I don't like being on top of the hilly thing. If we make it to this split, I'm gonna tell you, it ain't the hiking. I mean, it ain't the equipment we got or nothing like that. Like, we're not cold, not wet. We just, it's it reminds me of the Ubi
Dude, yeah.
volcano crater that we did. You take one step,
Fall back 3.
you fall back 3. I'm trying to figure out if these were people tracks or animal tracks. I'm seeing. I think it's animal tracks. It goes out that way. He. Oh, I just got dumped on. Oh, YouTube, that tree just dumped on us, bro.
Oh, I'm trying to as well.
Yeah. I don't think we saw a moose on this trail last time. No, that was on the other side. Y'all, here we go. To the left. Splitty on the left. That thing go uphill. Let me make sure that's where we at. I don't remember that big uphill. That be it.
Oh boy.
Yep. Yep.
I'm gonna take a break before I... How dare you?
Ain't no time but the present, sir. I know my leg's on fire too, bro. And I'd rather take a break after the hill.
Yeah.
I don't like taking breaks and then, oh, we gotta slosh up this hill. All right, man, stop. Your amazing father is on the way and you don't want him to get snowed on like that, right? Oh, okay. Okay. Oh man, we had a little freedom. That's not too deep right here. All right, this ain't bad.
Bro, this thing's been rubbed on.
Dang, something did rub on that thing. Look,
For real, man.
yo, all the way back too. Look, yeah.
Woo! Like all the way over.
Bro, I wonder if it was a moose or something.
It was Bigfoot.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Unless it rubbed the other tree when it was falling down.
No, it was Bigfoot.
Bigfoot.
Boom.
You all right, Bubba?
Yep.
All right. Hello.
What ridiculous fish was this? Yo!
Good job, boy.
Thanks.
Good job, homie.
Make a track for me.
Yeah, it makes it easy, don't it? It gets it a little packed down for you. Whew. Say that's the real definition, huh? I'm pretty sure.
Yo!
Hang on.
Like down here.
Hang on before we keep going. I want to make sure we're right. Getting out of here won't be so bad.
It's getting in.
We can just follow the tracks. I mean, technically it's right. We're gonna keep going this way. Hella. That was a deep one. Look at the difference, man. From under the tree out wow. Whew. I guess this means we need to get into some snowshoeing and skiing and all the other ings. Hey, you too, baby. All right, look, man. So we're not going to get to the end of a trail today because I just looked up both of the trails that walk out of here. The one, I don't want to step in them puddles where those ATVs be because they are deep. We walked when there was no snow on the ground, and those puddles are deep. The other trail is long, so we're just going to like walk for a little while, see what happens, maybe eat our sandwiches and stuff. But man, just to be able to come out to a trail like this, hike out for, we've been a mile already. Believe it or not, we already went a mile. It's awesome. Dude, just come out here and chill, out in the snow, out in the middle. There ain't nobody out here. He trying to get the tree to get the snow on me and stuff, and I don't like that. Anyway, I think we might eat our sandwiches real quick, have a snack, do some more walking, and then head back to the old Tin Man. We'll be right back with y'all, man. My thing is just how much there is, man. We sitting over there in town, and bro, I mean, it snowed, but not even to this level. And if it did, man, I must have just missed it. I'd love it if a doggone moose come out right now. Something. I mean, don't get me wrong, it'd scare me. But I think it'd be awesome, man. Well, guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna cut it off for a second. Yeah. All right, you two, we decided we just gonna go ahead and start heading back to Tin Man. We ain't finishing. We wouldn't get to the end of this anyway. I know I go in gun-ho with everything. I'm like, oh, we gonna get to the end. Not today. Not today. I'm gonna tell you, Alaska is already whooping our butts, man. We didn't finish the Peak Trail. We ain't gonna finish this trail. But these are things that, now that we're here and doing this stuff, we know the things we're going to need, right? So during this summer, we'll start getting supplies, getting ready for winter. This is awesome, though. I just can't get over how cool this is right now. It makes me so happy, bro. Oh man, God is good, baby. It's much easier walking back, ain't it? Yeah, we made our own little trail through here. It's crazy. Crazy, scary, spooky, hilarious. It's like the only words in that song too. I'm just kidding. I ain't hating. Yo, man. And I'm gonna say to you too, to be able to come out here with my kids and do this, there's not a lot of people get this kind of opportunity. Praise God on that one. Because them two up there, those are some amazing kids. That's 100. You said what?
I got snow in my boot.
So ain't no snake in the boot. I got snow in my boot. So we ain't getting to the waterfall, you two, but that's all right. And I'm gonna tell you, that waterfall beautiful. If you really want to see it, I'm gonna post it. So I'm gonna post it from the last time we were here. Ain't it crazy? Excuse me, that was rude. Old river shot one more again. Oh, the little birdie whistled back to me. Hey, little birdie. Wow. It's so awesome. It's so awesome.
Real ground. Wow.
Let me stomp off some of this snow. I'm gonna tell you, redhead hiking boots standing up, baby. My feet are dry as all get out. And I just want to let y'all know, these are ankles. These are not over the ankle boots. And dude, my toesies dry. My feet are dry right now. So, huh? I told you, man. Redhead, waterproof. It's ready to go, baby. I try to tell y'all. But see, look, man, you got to have new shoes and new boots like every 3 months right now. Y'all are growing so much. It's so awesome, man. That snow's starting to come down for real. It's so beautiful, man. God, I love this. And YouTube, while I got you here, let me go ahead with my shameless plug. Make sure that if you're not subscribed to the old channel, you hit that subscribe button. Man, and on top of that, you hit the notification bell whenever I drop a video. You'll be notified. And if y'all can, hey, take a minute, share it out to people. You know, we love to grow the channel and meet new people and put our adventures out there. So you guys, y'all are amazing. Hot dog. Dun, 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 dun. And YouTube, I'm just letting them win. I could be dogging them right now if I wanted to. I'm just kidding. They good with it, man. Tell me God ain't good. Oh. You gotta tie them things again, bro. Yep. Sheesh. Well, I'm gonna keep getting it a little bit because y'all faster than me anyway. Only because I'm letting you be faster than me today.
It's not so.
Well, don't leave your brother. You ain't supposed to leave him. That's why I was gonna keep going, because you was there. Look, she's like, oh yeah, watch this. Hold my chocolate milk. She back there hollering. She gonna come past me, y'all. That girl, she don't like to say she number 2. Look at that, so beautiful, bud. What? Come on, kid. Yeah. Oh, it's done. Well, hopefully our little trail helps somebody out.
I doubt anyone will want to do this in this.
Say what?
I doubt anyone will want to do it in these.
Well, like I said, man, if we had some of those sweet wide snowshoes, it'd probably make things a lot easier, you know what I mean? Whew. Yep. Yeah, YouTube. I'm gonna tell you, man. If it weren't for them having rock climbing class tonight, and I still got to go pick up my lady from her old work, I'd attempt to do more. One thing I don't want to do is be late picking that lady up from work. I know that feeling of feeling like you've been left somewhere. It's no good. So I want to make sure we got plenty of time for that, all that stuff. So, but what a beautiful hike. Be able to get out even on a snowy day and come and just see this, man. Come and just look. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. So I'm gonna turn it off for a few minutes. We're gonna make our way up. And I say that, but I'll turn it back on in like 2 seconds. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Like I said, I'll be back in just a minute anyway.
The bridge is literally right behind
Yeah, it's like right there. I can't help myself, man. I want to bring y'all the video. You know what I mean? I want to bring you the video. And the snow has started getting it too. That's another thing. YouTube, I'm gonna tell you, there wasn't nobody. There were no tire tracks coming to the parking area from the road. So that's something else I'm actually thinking about, being able to get up out of here. Like I said, we got the all-terrain. What are you doing?
I was gonna try and go up the hill.
You ain't going up that hill.
No.
Hold on, let's do something fun though. Hold on, don't get right here.
Yeah, no.
Because we can make it work.
Sure. sure.
But look, ooh,
Just like fall back in the snow.
that went way down. Yeah. Oh, wait.
Go that way, me and John.
Just wait. All right, help me up.
My turn.
All right, who next?
John Mosey, I guess.
And then we'll take a picture. Go there. It's gonna be deep, kid.
John, as you go a little over, so I
It's
can
gonna
go
be
in the
deep.
middle.
And then we'll take a picture after the whole thing.
Come on, John.
Go ahead, just fall back. Make sure you throw your head back. There you go. All right. Now, Chelsea, you're gonna have to get your arms right so you don't get his arms.
Yeah.
Oh, let me get it.
Yeah, kid's gonna need help.
There you go. Check your chocolate milk bottle.
Make sure you got that thing.
I got it. It just, no.
Yeah, don't get up in his arms. There you go.
Or daddy's arms.
Beautiful.
My hair!
Yeah, your hair in it now. Oh, be careful, be careful.
3, 2.
There you go.
That looks so much fun.
It looks like I'm doing a dab.
You are doing a dab. How about that? Hey,
Can I retake it?
No.
well, no, it's already in there now.
Yeah.
Here.
I got it not dab. I'm dabbing. Why?
Dabber, dabber.
That's awesome.
Boy, it's all excited.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, you're dead.
See, we do fun stuff. We do fun stuff. Well, for me, hiking, doing this hike like this is fun for me. So, see, this is the kind of stuff that, man, we gonna be ready for it next year. I'm telling you, snow, what snow? We going hiking. I might just put myself in the bubble and make the kids roll me down the trail.
No.
That'd be awesome. I'm gonna tell you, we might have not have did a 5-mile hike today, but it feels like it.
Feels like 10.
Yo, my legs are on fire, bro. Trying to step through this snow. Whew. This is why for the past 3 months and what, 3.5 months, I've been working out so feverishly so I could do stuff just like this. Yeah, man, before the weather turned and it started getting a little warmer out, we didn't do much. You know, when we got here in July, we were focused on finding a place to live, getting my lady ready for her work. Well, get it, come on. I'm gonna show you how to tighten them things up. And then, you know, she started work. We got a 1-vehicle family, so a lot of it, us staying at home, and plus on top of it, it was cold as all get out. We hadn't done nothing, and so I started like feeling bad, man. Like just no energy, no drive to do anything. And I talked to my lady about it, and I'm like, look, I need a treadmill workout or something. I need something. So shout out Arctic Ice. He had a treadmill for cheap, so I got it from him. Been walking every day, 2 miles every day on that treadmill. And then we got a all-in-one workout station. And so I incorporated that in the mornings. And I've been waiting to come out here. And so I'm glad that the determination to do better is paying off. Because I promise you, if I hadn't been just straight getting it, I don't know if I'd have made it this far on this trail. It is really deep. This section where the path is really wide, it's very deep. Ain't no trees to stop it. And once again, let me shout out that TikTok family for all the encouragement, me working out, getting right, all that stuff. If you don't know YouTube, I live stream just about daily on TikTok. Every day I go to work out. My TikTok family there with the encouragement and good words. Some of them even call me fat boy every now and then. So let's go. And most of all, shout out these kids one more again for wanting to go get it. I know not everybody's kids like mine, but I know there's a lot of kids that people would have pulled up, they've been like, nah. Yeah. Beast mode, baby. Hey. Boy, we walked a lot farther than what we thought, didn't we? I'm telling you, going in, you don't think you're going that far. You're like, where's the truck? Big puddle. See, that's what I'm talking about, YouTube. The trail to get to the waterfall, there's puddles. Go ahead, buddy. You want to get in front, go ahead. There's those puddles like all throughout that trail. When we came through last time, a lot of them were still frozen over, so it wasn't too horribly bad. Sorry, man, I got them cold chill sniffles going on. Whew. That snot starts running, it's a wrap. Heck yeah, boy. I done shoveled the parking lot at the house twice today. And this, your boy's workout is complete for the day.
I got the shovel again.
And I did 22 push-ups for Poppy Tart. Yee yee! Push-ups, baby. Push-up game. Wow. You guys, man, one last look. Oh, so beautiful. Bo, let's get it. And I don't know if I shouted these people out yet or not, but I meant to. Cuddle Bunny, you've been awesome ever since we met. And Mrs. Shay and Mr. Alex, man, it's been good to meet y'all and hang out, go putt-putt. We got a hike coming up with them. They're a beautiful family. I appreciate y'all too. So, oh, I see the parking lot. Yeah, yeah. Wow. Whew. My calves are straight burning like crazy.
Oh yeah.
Whew. Yes, sir. It's crazy, man. You better hope Tin Man's still here. He might have got scared and went back home. He's over there like, why y'all leave me out in this cold? Look, man, I'm telling you, it's so deep too. Look at the picnic tables, y'all. Look at that's hilarious, man.
I really want to go stand on that like canopy.
No. You too? Oh, y'all got a little wet up under there. Let me. Oh, man. Hope that didn't affect the picture too much. Hang on, y'all. There we go. Well, guys, that's it for us, man. Chelsea gonna take a nap over there in the snow.
Night.
She said good night. If anything happens on the way out, I'll turn this thing back on. Let's hope that that doesn't happen. But I appreciate y'all watching the video, man. It was definitely a new experience. Have fun. Let me tell you, it's a workout going through that snow, man. Whew. So we'll see y'all on the next go around, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one.
And I have died. I've walked through the fire and came out alive. I will thrive. I will not be a victim of your judgment. I will not be a measure of your empathy. I am no one's symbol. I will not live my life in your uncertainty. I have bled and I've walked through the fire and came out alive. I will thrive. I will not be a victim of your judgment.